Hey guys, it's Gary with RPM Diecast, and today we're doing an HKS 2-pack from Hot Wheels, the R33 Skyline and the MBK truck. Now when I was looking up for this R33 Skyline, they do make the real car. It looks like this, but it's a dragster, which is pretty sweet. It's an under 7-second quarter-mile car. The R33 has the 6-spoke rail rider rims, and the van has the 10-spoke ones. Yeah, anyway, let's go crack this open and then we'll come back after. That was the Car Culture Hot Wheels 2-pack with the... No. That was the Hot Wheels Car Culture 2-pack with the Skyline and the MBK van in the HKS livery. I think it would be really cool if they did an R34 Skyline to go with it, because there's the 32, the 33. It'd be cool if they had the 34 to go with it. Anyway, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, check out some of our other videos, and keep on collecting.